Hello everybody and welcome to the second practice video for factoring quadratics. And as with the previous video, every example in this video will have no leading coefficient. In other words, there's no number in front of x squared. The constant in the first expression is -6, so we need to first find two numbers that multiply together to give us -6. So -1 times 6 is -6 and -2 times 3 is -6. But we also need the same two numbers to add up to +5. And if we look down the numbers that we've written, we can see that -1 plus 6 would give us +5, so these are the numbers we need. So our answer is x minus 1 times x plus 6. I'm not going to multiply out all the brackets like I did in the previous video, but if you want to verify your answer, then just multiply out the brackets that you have. For instance, here it's x minus 1 times by x plus 6, and you should end up with the same expression that you started with. Here it is x squared plus 5x minus 6. So you may want to do that on your own. In number 2, we need to find two numbers that multiply together to give us 12. So that includes 1 times 12, 2 times 6, and 3 times 4. But our numbers also need to add up to 7. And if we look down our list, we can see we have 3 and 4. Well, they add up to 7, so these must be the numbers we need for our answer. So the answer is x plus 3 times by x plus 4. In number 3, we need two numbers that multiply together to give us -18. And these include -1 times 18, -2 times 9, and -3 times 6. And as our numbers also need to add up to 7, we can look down our list and see that if we add -2 and 9, that would give us a +7. So we need to use these numbers in the answer, which is x minus 2 times by x plus 9. In number 4, we need to find two numbers that multiply together to give us 15. So these include 1 times 15 and 3 times 5. However, we can see that we also need the numbers to add up to give us -8. Now, if we look down our list of numbers, we can see that 3 and 5 gives us +8. So if we had a -3 and a -5, that would multiply together to give us +15 and add together to give us the -8 we need. So that's our answer. And we write x minus 3 times by x minus 5. In number 5, we need two numbers to multiply together to give us -20, and they include 1 times -20, 2 times -10, and 4 times -5. Now, as you can see, it doesn't look like there's a coefficient in front of x, so it'll have to be a 1. So we need the two numbers to add up to give us -1. And if we look down our list of numbers, 4 plus -5 will give us -1. So our answer is x plus 4 times by x minus 5. In number 6, we need two numbers to multiply together to give us 18. And these include 1 times 18, 2 times 9, and 3 times 6. However, we also need them to add up, so they give us -11. Now you could see that 2 plus 9 would give us +11, therefore -2 plus -9 would give us -11, and they also multiply together to give us +18. So our answer is x minus 2 times by x minus 9. In number 7, the two numbers must multiply together to give us -30. And they include -1 times 30, -2 times 15, -3 times 10, and -5 times 6. And as there's an invisible 1 in front of the x, the two numbers must also add up to give us a +1. And as you can see down our list of numbers, we have a -5 and a 6. So they will add up to give us the +1. So our answer is x take 5 times by x plus 6. In number 8, the numbers need to multiply together to give us 20. So we could have 1 times 20, 2 times 10, or 4 times 5. But they need to add up to give us -12. And we have 2 and 10, which could give us +12. Therefore, if we had a -2 and a -10, that would add up to give us -12 and multiply together to give us +20. So our answer is x minus 2 times by x minus 10. In number 9, we need to find two numbers that multiply together to give us 36. However, they also need to add together to give us minus 12. So this time I'm just going to write down the negative numbers because I know that they're going to have to be two negative numbers. So the possibilities are minus 2 times minus 18, minus 3 times minus 13, minus 4 times minus 9, or minus 6 times minus 6. And as minus 6 plus minus 6 adds up to give us minus 12, the answer is x minus 6 times by x minus 6. And for the last question in this video, we need two numbers to multiply together to give us minus 12. A few possible solutions include minus 1 times 12, minus 2 times 6, or minus 3 times 4. However, we know the numbers have to also add up to give us plus 4. So if we look down our list, we can see that minus 2 and 6 would add up to plus 4. So the answer is x minus 2 times by x plus 6. Well, that's it for this video. As always, thanks very much for watching. I hope it's helping. If you could hit like and subscribe, that would be great. And I hope to see you in the next video. See you soon.